Good morning. Um, we are practically uh, facing lot of problems from the institutions, the employer hospitals, colleges, even nursery schools. The the elements, heartless elements, uh, who are running the institution, unfortunately due to some change of circumstances, illiterates, hardened criminals became correspondent of so many institutions. Therefore, at the time of admissions, they obtain signature unilateral contractual agreements, bonds, indemnity bonds, simply use give that, give that. Then they used to give admissions a lot of, and whenever you require certificate, they retain, they won't issue certificates. And the fees paid, exorbitant fees paid, cash and deposit. A cash and deposit paid to the Savita University was repaid only after 4 years. And law colleges are not even paying that, government law colleges. Forget about all those things. In respect of that, case law, I would like to discuss with you this AR 2020 Madhya Pradesh. There are Supreme Court judgments referred therein. This hotline judgment, Anushal Jain versus State of MP. Actually, what had happened, PG medical course, college imposing condition that petitioner would not be eligible to receive original certificate unless he deposits 5 lakhs. Petitioner got admission on merit state quota, but signed affidavit containing set condition in order to get admission. So when that was denied, however, he paid 5 lakhs by obtaining loan and obtained its certificate. Thereafter approached the court for return of certificate. So the Madhya Pradesh High Court, Prakash Srivastava, had said that on perusal of record, it is noticed that no rule, regulations or circular of state government permits the respondent, a private unaided college, to impose such condition at the time of admission. Therefore, this is arbitrary conditions. And this High Court also had, she had no option but to file such an affidavit in order to get admissions. Gujarat High Court, in the case of Sitanshu Shekhar, they have held that this is not correct. They say Supreme Court time and again has struck down clauses or the conditions contained in the service agreement which were found to be unfair, unreasonable, unconstitutional, and opposed to the public policy. That's why they say. They also discussed the various provisions of Indian contract, section 19A of the Indian contract. When the consent to an agreement is caused by undue influence, the agreement is not a contract, voidable at the option of the party whose consent was so caused. Then section 16(1), undue influence. Undue influence where the relations subsisting between the parties are such that one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other. That what the section 16(2), subsection 16(2) also says. Then they have also referred section 23 of the Contract Act. The 23 Act says consideration or object of an agreement is lawful unless inter alia the court records it opposed to public policy. It is also provided that every agreement of which object consideration unlawful is void. Then they have discussed about India Inland Water Transport Corporation versus Brojonath Ganguly, reported in AR 1986. They say the contracts are entered into by a weaker party under the pressure of circumstances which results in equality of bargaining power. Such contracts would not fall within 4 corners of definition of undue influence. That's what they said. And finally, after deeply discussing about all these contract provisions, then they have come to terminology. what is public policy, what is opposed to public policy. Then again they say there are two schools of thought, the narrow view school and the broad view school. According to narrow view school, court cannot create new heads of public policy, whereas the latter countenance judicial law making this area. So they have also referred so many common law judgment, Lord Davey in Johnson versus Uri Fontaine, and so many cases, Richardson versus Melly. These then Town Football Club versus Football Association Limited. All these cases were discussed. Therefore, finally, they say they have discussed Delhi Transport Corporation, DT Mazdoor, AR 1991. Finally, since the amount was already paid, they have issued direction to return it within 30 days from the date of order. So this you should understand how the school authorities, education authorities, and the government authorities under the control of panchayat, all these things are, they appoint their own man, removing and obtaining signatures, allowing him also continue on same post as leave vacancy. So many things they are doing by simply obtaining and allowing them to rush to the court for the remedy. This is what multi-number of cases are there. All these are due to the anti-democratic mind of the politicians who are stepping in politics only for the purpose of swindling the money, siphoning the money, and after amassing money, they try to launder the money by other means, like schools and things. But innocent children, even you see in this given case, postgraduate degree holder was coerced to pay the amount. Like that, lot of things has to be controlled. University Grant Commission rules are there. Even in the present pandemic, SOP rule says school fees should be minimum to certain percentage. But parents are paying fees, and on so many things there was no consultation and analytical research thinking while implementing SOP rules. You say that rent should not be insisted, but at the same time, because it is for survival for the tenant, due to lack of income and financial assistance, there is possibility of incapacity to pay the rent. At the same time, the person who is having only source of income, that too limited source of income from renting their building, what would be the fate of them? How he would manage, how he would pay taxes, how he would pay electricity charges. All these things should be, you have to fix a limit to this extent or that extent. Of course, the tenant may say that I have paid advance amount, all those things. But the question of survival comes. These all should be kept in mind. Like small companies, cooperative societies are mismanaged, and fake jewels were being mortgaged, fake properties were mortgaged, salaries were heavily paid to their staff, all mismanagement. And that is why politicians are invading to hold that post whenever cooperative elections are there, fighting, murder, threatening, kidnap, so many things are happening at the time of cooperative. This is why the government should, they would have not only directed school other to 5 lakhs, they would have been double the amount of 5 lakhs. If that was the judgment, people will happy, and these college institutions may be afraid and did not show their disappearance to the rules and behave in arbitrary manner towards innocents. Best wishes.